Okay, what I'm going to show you today is a real quick primer on SnagIt, and we're going to try to capture a video today. And when you're using SnagIt, when you first open it, it will look like this. And you can see on the left-hand side there are some options. We're going to click on video today, and I have my webcam set to off because I'm going to do a narrated PowerPoint in SnagIt. So it's a video, but it's really a video of what's going on my screen. So that's what that looks like. After we get done with it, I'm going to show you how to upload the video into TechSmith Relay, and then I will show you how Relay works with Canvas to get your video from SnagIt to TechSmith Relay and then into Canvas. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Capture, and once we do that, we're going to see this control bar down on the lower right hand side, and you can see the green lines moving, so I know my microphone's working. And I'm going to click on the record button. So it's going to prompt me to begin recording. So now that I'm recording, I'm going to open up my PowerPoint and I'm going to get that started. And I can edit this later. So let's say I want to narrate this PowerPoint about inquiry, research, and publication. And I can click through it on my keyboard like I click through any PowerPoint presentation and narrate each slide if I want to. So that's how I do the capture and the narrated PowerPoint in SnagIt. Also notice in the lower right hand side of the screen is a little stop button, and that's SnagIt stop button. So I'm going to stop that, and then I'm going to hit the blue button to stop. And after I do that, the video I just made is going to open in the SnagIt editor, and if we run through this really quick, we can see my PowerPoint there, and I would just need to edit this first point off. So you can move the little red marker and the green marker to edit your SnagIt video when you're done, to cut out the beginning of the end if you want to. So after you have the editing done, you're going to go ahead and click on the share button in SnagIt. Now yours might look a little bit different. Notice in the upper right that I'm already logged into TechSmith Relay. And what I'm going to do is, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. So now I'm signed out, and the reason I want to do that is I want to show you what the login process looks like, or at least try to. So now when I go to sign in, it's going to take me to a login screen. Now, many of you don't know if you have a TechSmith account or not, and that's all right. When it comes up, sign into your TechSmith account. If you get a blank box here, just go ahead and put your mercycollege.edu email in, and then you'll click on next, and it'll prompt you for your password. If you click on next and it says that you don't have an account, there's a add an account button. As long as you use your mercycollege.edu email, you can establish an account at TechSmith for no charge. You're already authorized. So if you do have an account and you forgot your password, you can click on having trouble, and that will take you to a screen where you can put in, I forgot my password, put in your email address, and they'll look up whether you have an account or not. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now what I'm doing is I'm signing into TechSmith Relay, and the reason I'm doing that is because SnagIt needs me to be signed into TechSmith Relay to upload my video. So this will all come together in a minute. So now that I'm signed in, I just simply click on Share, and then I select TechSmith Relay because that's where I want this video to go. If I would want to save this video just on my computer, I can just go and click on File. If I want to save it to YouTube, I have a YouTube account, I can click on YouTube. So I have some options. But for this exercise, I'm going to click on TechSmith Relay, and then I'm going to click on Mercy College TechSmith Relay. I'm going to click on OK, and it's going to start to upload the video that I just made into TechSmith Relay. So it'll take a few minutes to do that. And it will notify you when it's uploaded. What I'm going to do now is I'm not going to wait all the way for the upload. We can just kind of imagine that I uploaded the video into TechSmith Relay. So let me go ahead and just cancel this, and let me close this out. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to go to Canvas, and let me just find a test class here. I'm going to go into modules, and I'm going to create a new page. So I'm going to go to page, new page. We'll call this test video. Add add item. So now I have my test video page. I'm going to click on this page. So the video I just made, if I want to put it on this page, I'll just click on edit, put my cursor where I want it, and then I'll go to my TechSmith Relay, little blue R here, click on that, and it's going to open my library. So you each have a library. So after you either get into your TechSmith account or establish a TechSmith account by going through the steps I just outlined, you'll have a library. So the video you uploaded will be in your library somewhere. So let's just take this one. So I made this video in SnagIt as well, just I didn't make it in SnagIt while you were watching me. So I have my video in, I go to save and publish, and now in Canvas I have the video that I made with SnagIt into Canvas. So that's basically the workflow. You make your video in SnagIt, you click on the share button, you share it to TechSmith Relay, it goes into your TechSmith Relay library, then you go into Canvas, you edit the page wherever you want the video, you click on the blue R and put the video into your page. So that's it for today. Thank you.